Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi on your Ring app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, access your Ring app on your mobile phone. Once I have done so, you can see this kind of interface where in this section you can find all of the devices that you have set up on your house using your Ring service and have connected with your mobile app. Afterwards, you're going to go tap on this three horizontal line on top, then tap on this devices option, and now you're gonna go ahead, select a doorbell or a camera you would like to reconnect to Wi-Fi that you would like to. And once you have done so, for me you can see I do not have that. This two picture shows that two of the devices can be connected. Go ahead, tap on the either of the device that you have, and now you will tap on this device health title that will be given below, and the under network tap, and then tap on change Wi-Fi network. Then you can go ahead, use movement or the setup button to reconnect, and then afterwards what you're going to do, tap on this continue, and for continue. Once I've done so, you can go to device health option to see if it was successfully connected or not. That will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.